Welcome to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel. Today, we're discussing the pressing issue of plastic pollution in our oceans and its devastating impact on marine life. Plastic pollution is one of the most significant environmental challenges of our time, affecting not just the creatures that inhabit our oceans but also humans. Let's dive into how plastic waste ends up in our oceans, the damage it causes, and what we can do to combat this growing crisis. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste find their way into our oceans. This happens through several pathways, including littering, improper waste disposal, and runoff from land. When plastic waste is discarded improperly, it can be carried by wind and water into rivers, which then transport it to the sea. Once in the ocean, plastic doesn't just disappear. Instead, it breaks down into smaller pieces called microplastics, which can persist in the environment for hundreds of years. The impact of plastic pollution on marine ecosystems is catastrophic. Marine animals, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whales, are affected by plastic waste. Sea turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, one of their favorite foods, leading to ingestion that can block their digestive systems and cause death. Birds and fish also consume small plastic particles, which can accumulate in their stomachs, leading to malnutrition, internal injuries, and often, death. The consequences of plastic pollution extend beyond individual species. As plastic waste accumulates in the food chain, it affects entire ecosystems. For instance, coral reefs, which are vital to marine biodiversity, are also impacted by plastic debris. When plastic settles on coral, it can block sunlight and restrict the coral's ability to perform photosynthesis, a process crucial for its survival. Moreover, toxins released from plastics can poison marine organisms, leading to widespread damage to marine food webs. Plastic pollution doesn't just harm wildlife, it also has long-term consequences for humans. Microplastics, which are ingested by marine life, can end up on our dinner plates when we consume seafood. Research is ongoing to understand the full impact of microplastics on human health, but the potential risks include exposure to harmful chemicals and contaminants that plastics absorb from the environment. Despite the severity of the issue, there is hope. Around the world, efforts are being made to tackle plastic pollution. Organizations and governments are working to clean up our oceans, reduce plastic production, and promote recycling. For example, the Ocean Cleanup Project is developing technologies to remove plastic from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, one of the largest concentrations of ocean plastic. On a global scale, countries are beginning to ban single-use plastics and promote sustainable alternatives. You can also play a vital role in reducing plastic pollution. Here are some ways you can help. Reduce your use of single-use plastics. Opt for reusable bags, bottles, and containers. Properly dispose of plastic waste by recycling and participating in community cleanup events. Support policies and initiatives aimed at reducing plastic production and promoting sustainable alternatives. Educate others about the impact of plastic pollution and encourage them to take action. In conclusion, the impact of plastic pollution on marine life is profound, but it's a problem we can address together. By making small changes in our daily lives and supporting larger efforts to clean up our oceans, we can help protect marine ecosystems and ensure a healthier planet for future generations. Thank you for watching Knowledge Truth YouTube channel. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share. Let's all do our part to reduce plastic pollution and protect our oceans.